Good morning. My name is Adma Srivastava. I study in class 4 from Kalabag branch. It is leaves. Why is leaves look green in color? Because of chlorophyll. It contains a green color pigment, chlorophyll. When we roll a ball, after some time, why is it stops? Because of frictional force. Frictional force opposes the motion of the ball. When we open the door and close the door, what science is here? Here we apply force. Force is a push or a pull. When we blow air in the balloon, it swells up. Why? Because it contains air. Because air occupies space in it and pressure the inner wall of the balloon. When we take a spoon and leave it, why is fall on the earth? Because of gravitational force. Gravitational force. When earth pulls everything towards itself, it is called gravitational force. Earth attracts everything towards itself with a force called gravitational force.